You are watching Beyond the News. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Car dealer, car parts place, a mechanic, saddle up. New guest in town.
What the girl them used to love, farmer man, educated man. No badness them run down. We are changing harder. Let go the badness thing here me now. The girl them fill up farmer man, educated man, not a gun man. Them used to want the real hard worker. Money in a hand, yeah, the plan proper. Now a bad man, them a run down, but me tell them to stop run around. If farmer man I get you crown, me say for turn the thing round.
9 p.m. Wednesday, one woman sits in her car, the only person in line at the Chinese-owned WH car service. In the black of night, along the lonely roadway, she planned to camp out to roll in like a well-oiled machine when the business opened Thursday morning, a sheet on her seat.
Oh yeah, I am first in the line. But everybody's talking about this. So everybody, just like with KC just open, everybody want to try it. So I'm here to try it out.
This, she says, is a big deal. She has an issue with her engine, and like everyone else who's been turning up, she's in pursuit of a cheap, lasting fix. She first went there 5 a.m. Wednesday.
But everybody wants to save money. Line from over that side, go all the way back round. There's another pathway down there, so. Cars on the sidewalk.
Later, she was eventually asked to leave by the police. As we waited on the outskirts, this man made his way out to moonlight. He arrived in sunlight.
My number was 40. Others who were there with me, they got 9, 7, 8, 10, etc. And so they were able to get out of there before midday. While my number 40, I'm only getting out here now about 9 p.m.
He said it was worth it. After visiting local experts, he was told a fix would cost him hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Between $180,000 to $250,000 because I was told by a transmission expert that I needed a new transmission.
He said he got transmission fluid, paid for it, and paid for a scanning from the Chinese mechanics. At what cost?
In total, $30,500, and I'm able to drive home, and I'm very happy.
Others shared a similar experience.
In less than 5 minutes, I was diagnosed the problem with my car. Catalytic converter, the airbag, rear airbag, and 2 side airbags were also in need of repairs. And the cost, they told me $30,000. When I checked around, I was told that that's a bargain.
Now, Thursday morning, scores of motorists waited at the gate, a security guard checking names on a paper like a teacher in a classroom, many using translators to communicate. Parked cars stretch for meters. An inoperative car here dragged to the location with a rope, and we saw this notice at the gate. Quote, "We're truly sorry. Over 800 vehicles are currently waiting for service. We cannot offer same-day service." End quote. It wasn't there the night before. Inside, some people far down in the queue wait patiently.
They are 17. But them a go on, man. Them have a buzz. But I'm glad some of the in and out there.
Miss Claudine was one of them on the outside with her bus. Driving all the way from Clarendon, she was eager to converse.
A bumper drop off, and like a fender and a bumper bus. Some of them want to get everything sorted out. I want them to clip up back neat. And look brand new back.
What timeline they give you?
They don't give me any time. Then say they will call me.
A little distance from her, this man was frustrated. It's a good deal, he admitted, but the wait time is the deal breaker.
When I come and hear say the amount of people we select, I have to wait 1 month to get my thing deal with, boy. The 1 month kind of throw me off. I wish the Chinese them could have bring in some more on.
Still, he's handing out warnings.
Car dealer, car parts place, a mechanic, saddle up. New guest in town.
Wagwan. I think they sell the Highland and all of them kind of something for service and parts also. Is it ready? I'll do the drone shot and then we'll link run. No. You know one of them? No, but no recently changed it. No, somebody know about it. I could design, man. I don't want to know. It's cold now. Oh, the gear stick. Almost gear stick. Lighter. I put it up on the thing there. Stick.
It's cute.
Right, so see about that car. The speaker. My sound system. I know nobody can buy the one I have. I have some bass boxes, so 23,400. How much what that? Yeah, but I think it's $3 grand. I think it's cheaper. Eh? Recline that look up on the top part of the You want to change the radio? Got 18 grand. Me? You want to change it already? I want to change it again? I don't know, there's some power on this, you know, that's all. Charger. This one. 18 grand for that. Them are the heavier one, you know. Them are pay better. So, steering wheel what is? Chop. So then I have Suzuki, Honda man, Subaru man, Toyota man, Subaru, yeah? So, charging system. Them when I put in a vehicle, the evil eye something. Look how they lights up now.
This are fan. You put it on the AC. Attach it to the AC. Make it blow.
14. What price? How much difference from the other shit online? Watch and song. That's something to song or something, I don't know. Where you get it from? Need one of them, you know. My one. Dash cam. $8,000 for this. The other one. I don't know, easy to install, you know. 1080p. That one a better fear one, you know. No, the mirror. Can connect the back camera on this too. Like that one.